Part 1. The chicken and egg problem of every platform. What comes first, the users or the app? This is the oldest and toughest problem for any new technology platform. Without a large user base, developers won't build apps. But without compelling apps, you can't attract users. It's a paradox that has killed thousands of startups. So how do you break this cycle? The answer is, you don't need to break it. You create a tool so powerful, elegant, and effective that it solves the biggest pain point of a developer, making it simply impossible to ignore. You give them a magic wand. For Interlink, that magic wand is the SDK. Welcome back to our Deep Tech Analysis series. Today, we shift focus from users to builders. We will unbox Interlink's Software Development Kit, SDK, the official toolkit to create a bot-free world. We will explore what it is, how it enables developers to integrate a multi-billion-dollar identity system with just a few lines of code, and the revolutionary new types of apps it will unlock. Chapter 1. The Developer's Nightmare. Before we unbox the solution, let's feel the problem from a developer's perspective. When you're building a new game, social app, or DeFi protocol, what is the issue that consumes a disproportionate amount of your time and resources? It's fighting bots. Developers waste hundreds of hours and millions of dollars building and maintaining complex homemade systems trying to block fake users. They are forced to become security experts instead of focusing on their core strength, creating great products. This endless, costly, and losing battle is a developer's nightmare. Interlink's SDK is designed to be the cure. Part 2. Unboxing the Toolkit. A look inside Interlink's SDK. Chapter 2. What is an SDK? A simple analogy. You'll hear the term SDK a lot, but what is it? Let's use an analogy. Imagine building a house. You could go into the forest, chop trees, forge nails yourself, and fire bricks from clay. Or you could go to a hardware store and get a toolkit with pre-cut wood, high-quality screws, and clear instructions. An SDK, or Software Development Kit, is that hardware store for developers. It's a toolkit, code libraries, and documentation packaged to make building something complex extremely simple. Interlink's SDK is a toolkit that allows any existing app to talk to the Interlink chain and leverage its power. Chapter 3. Core Functionality. The 3 lines of code. Revolution. So let's see how it works. How does a developer use the SDK to make their app bot-resistant? This is where the magic happens. It all boils down to one simple, powerful function: isVerifiedHuman. This is what developers have to build today, a messy, unreliable system. And here's what they can build tomorrow. Let's look at the code snippet. First, the developer imports the Interlink library into their project. Then, they initialize it with their unique API key. Now, whenever a user tries to perform a sensitive action, like voting, claiming rewards, or entering a ranked match, the developer just calls the core function. That's it! That's the revolution. With just a few lines of code, a developer can instantly plug their app into a global, decentralized identity system powered by AI. All the complexity of liveness checks, blockchain, zero-knowledge proofs, it's all handled by the SDK. The developer just asks one simple question. Chapter 4. Advanced Features and Multi-Platform Support. But the SDK is more than just a single function. It's a comprehensive toolkit to build a new generation of apps. It includes a verifiable authentication module, allowing apps to request specific private proofs like IS over 21 years old, or is citizen of USA, a US citizen. It has a wallet and payments module for easy integration of Interlink Pay for seamless biometric transactions. And most importantly, Interlink's SDK is designed from the ground up for multi-platform support. It will be available for all major environments developers use: web, JavaScript, React, mobile, iOS, Swift, and Android/Kotlin, and even the most popular game engines, Unity and Unreal Engine. This is crucial to capture the massive gaming market. Part 3. Building the Future, a New Application Ecosystem for Humanity. Chapter 5. New Apps. Apps now possible. When you give powerful, simple tools to creative builders, they invent the future. Interlink's SDK not only improves existing apps, it makes entirely new types of apps possible. Truly Fair DAO launches a DAO where every member is guaranteed exactly one vote from day one. Bot-free game economies. A game developer can build an entire in-game economy confident that every player and item traded is legitimate, eliminating gold farming and cheating. Spam-free social networks. A startup can finally build a better Twitter because its core infrastructure is built on real human conversations, not bot-driven noise. Verified online education. Universities can issue tamper-proof diplomas and verify that students taking final exams are the ones registered. Thus, Interlink's SDK is more than a tool, it's a bridge. It's the bridge that will connect Interlink Chain's powerful, specialized technology with the millions of apps people use every day. It's the key to executing the B2B democratization strategy we analyzed in the roadmap video. The success of any platform is ultimately defined by what its developer community builds on it. By giving builders a magic wand to instantly solve their biggest problem, identity, Interlink is not just building a network, they are inviting the world to build a new, human-centered internet together. We've seen the builder's toolkit, but what about the core intelligence powering the crucial verification step? Is AI biased? Can it be fooled? In the next deep technical analysis, we will explore the brain behind the operation, Interlink's artificial intelligence, AI. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.